Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of compassion: sympathy and concern for others' sufferings and misfortunes. For example, the victims should be treated with compassion. American pronunciation: compassion. Compassion. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Compassion. Say, compassion. Compassion means sympathetic pity and concern for sufferings or misfortunes of others. Compassion. Compassion. Compassion origin: Middle English via Old French, from the ecclesiastical Latin compassion, from the compati, suffer with. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Gentleness and compassion cannot coexist with aggression and hatred toward others. Now, repeat after me. Gentleness and compassion cannot coexist with aggression and hatred toward others. The second practice. Yet, the justice system frequently shows mercy and compassion to those responsible. Now, repeat after me. Yet, the justice system frequently shows mercy and compassion to those responsible. Visual representation of compassion. Compassion means sympathy and concern for others' sufferings and misfortunes.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.